Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share a very impressive speech for Independence Day celebrations. So let's start this video with a powerful slogan. A flag is just a piece of cloth until a nation gives it a meaning. And our tricolor carries the meaning of courage, sacrifice, peace and pride. Respected principal, honorable teachers, esteemed guests, and my dear friends, a very warm and proud Happy Independence Day to everyone present here. Today, as our magnificent tricolor rises proudly in the sky, we are reminded of one of the greatest chapters in the history of our nation, the journey of India towards freedom. Independence was not simply the breaking of chains, it was the beginning of a dream of an India that would stand with dignity, unity, and confidence among the nations of the world. Our freedom fighters sacrificed their comfort, their dreams, and their lives for a freedom they knew future generations would enjoy. And today, we are those future generations. So, Independence Day is not merely a day to celebrate our past. It is a day to think about our responsibility towards the future. We may not be called upon to fight a battle for our country, but we can certainly fight the battles that India faces today against ignorance, dishonesty, hatred, inequality, and intolerance. We can serve our nation through education. We can strengthen it through unity. We can honor it through honesty. And we can transform it through our actions. The saffron of our flag reminds us to be courageous. The white inspires us to follow truth and peace. The green represents growth and prosperity. And the Ashok Chakra reminds us that progress must never stop. So, on this Independence Day, let us make a promise, not just to remember our heroes, but to continue the work they began. The flag may come down after the ceremony, but the spirit of our nation should never come down in our hearts. With gratitude in our hearts and pride in our souls, let us continue to work together towards a brighter and stronger India. Let us become the generation that dreams fearlessly, works sincerely, stands united, and makes India proud. Thank you everyone for being a part of this memorable celebration. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Hey friends, if this video is useful for you, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.